If you're confused about whether ChatGPT or Claude AI is better, you're not alone. A lot of people are asking the same question, especially beginners who just want one tool that actually works. In this video, I'll break down what real users are saying after months, even a full year of using both ChatGPT and Claude, so you can decide which one fits you best. Before we start, if this kind of honest AI breakdown helps you, don't forget to like and subscribe. It really supports the channel. Now let's get into it. One of the most interesting discussions comes from a Reddit post where someone used ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini for an entire year. Instead of following hype or benchmarks, they focused on real daily work. Their main takeaway was simple: there's no longer one AI that does everything best. They explained that Claude, especially Claude Sonnet and Opus, feels stronger for logic-heavy tasks and deep reasoning, particularly when coding. Many users agreed that Claude explains code more naturally and feels less lecture-like when you just want a direct answer. At the same time, they mentioned that ChatGPT can sometimes sound more polished or cautious, which is great for explanations, but not always ideal when you want raw output, like Python code or server specs. Another point that came up a lot was specialization. Claude is often praised for creative coding and structured reasoning, while ChatGPT is still seen as a solid all-around assistant that works well for learning, asking questions, and general problem solving. The second Reddit post focused on a student deciding between ChatGPT and Claude for computer security and digital forensics. That's a mix of reading academic papers, understanding technical content, and writing code. In the comments, several people recommended Claude specifically for coding, even suggesting Claude Code with a paid plan. The reason? Users felt Claude stays focused, handles complex logic better, and feels more precise when working with technical material. But that doesn't mean ChatGPT loses here. ChatGPT is still widely recommended for beginners because it's more forgiving, easier to talk to, and better at breaking down complex ideas step by step, especially if you're still learning. So what's the real conclusion? If you're a beginner who wants one assistant for learning, asking questions, and everyday tasks, ChatGPT is a safe and comfortable choice. If your work is heavily focused on coding, logic, or deep technical reasoning, Claude often feels sharper and more direct, according to many long-term users. The big shift people are noticing is that the one app does everything era is fading. More users now mix tools depending on the task, and that's actually a smart move. To wrap it up, there's no single winner. The better tool is the one that matches how you work. If this comparison helped clear things up, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more honest AI breakdowns for beginners. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.